ह्रीं क्रीं क्रीं हुं हुं ह्रीं ह्रीं दक्षिणे कालिके क्रीं 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 हुं हुं ह्रीं ह्रीं स्वाहा दक्षिणकालिका समेत भैरवदेवताभ्यो नमः. శివ దీనిలో ఒక విక్ కావాలమ్మా. Okay. What else? What other questions do you have? That's okay, ma. We are not using it now. We're not. Mhm. Yeah. There's that Homa Vidhanam book the other day we were talking about. Can you do? Yeah, if you have a couple of copies here, that would help. No. Thank you. Here, page number 3 in this book, it's there. Okay, you can circulate some copies. Look at the page number 3 of that book. That book. Here, pass it on to him. Page number 3 is the Mooladharodgatam Samvidagnim. It should be somewhere here. Page number 3, right in the beginning itself. மூன்றாவது பேஜில் இருக்கணும். मूलाधारोद्गतं संविदग्निं ललाटनेत्रद्वारा निर्गमय्यवागी ईश्वरबीजस्य. Okay, anyway, it is there. You can search it out. It is there. It is there. You can afterwards you would want to take a picture of it. Okay. So we now proceed with the. So what we did. Om ब्रह्मणे नमः, यमाय नमः, सोमाय नमः, रुद्राय नमः, विष्णवे नमः, इंद्राय नमः. All of you. सहस्राक्षे हृदयाय नमः, स्वस्ति पूर्णाय रसे स्वाहा, उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषाय शिखाय वषडे, धूमव्यापिने कवचायुगं, सप्तजिह्वाय नेत्रत्रयाय वोषडे, धनुर्धराय अस्त्राय फटे, भूः भुवः सुवः. ओम इति दिग्बन्धः. ओम सहस्रास्य हृदयाय नमः, स्वस्ति पूर्णाय शिरसे स्वाहा. नमः उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषाय शिखाय वषन् नमः, धूमव्यापिने कवचाय नमः, सप्तजिह्वाय नेत्रत्रयाय वोषन् नमः, धनुर्धराय अस्त्राय फट् नमः, भूः भुवः सुवः. ओम दिग्बन्धः. ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं attributes. पीताय नमः, ओम श्वेताय नमः, ओम वरुणाय नमः, ओम कृष्णाय नमः, ओम धूम्राय नमः, ओम तीव्राय नमः, विस्फुलिंगिन्यै नमः रुचिराय नमः ज्वालिन्यै नमः तं तमसे नमः रं रजसे नमः संसत्वाय नमः आम आत्मे नमः अम अंतरात्मने नमः पं परमात्मने नमः ह्रीं ज्ञानात्मने नमः इति मन्त्रेण जनिष्यमानिष्यवह्ने पितरौ वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरौ सम्पूज्य तयोर्मिथुनी भावं भावयित्वा हिरण्यगर्भाय विद्महे चतुर्मुखाय धीमहि तन्नो विधातृ प्रचोदयात् ब्रह्मणे नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा वीणावादिन्यैश्च विद्महे पुस्तकधारिण्यैश्च धीमहि तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात् सरस्वत्यै नमः ओं क्लीं कामदुघे अमोघे वरदे विच्चे स्फुरस्फुरः श्रीं परश्रीमत कामधेनु विद्यामृतीकृत्य क ईलक्रीमसकहलहरीं चक्रक्रीमत योनिमुद्रान् प्रदर्श्य. Up till that point we talk. Ram Vaishvana Jata Veda Ihavahaloitat Sarvakarmani Sadhaya Swaha Mooladharodgadam Samvidagnim Lalata Netradvara Nirgamaya. Amma, can you get some camphor, coconut shell and come? You wanted something? What do you want? Camphor is there, yeah. No, we need a coconut shell. No, she's getting it. She's getting it. Put it in the center, yeah. Not exactly the center, put it underneath, a little underneath one of the logs so that, no, that's too far off for me. Okay, okay, that's perfect. Okay, put it on a couple of logs, yeah, so that. No, that's okay, put it inside that, Okay. वागीश्वर बीयश्च वागीश्वरी योन्यां प्रवेश बुद्ध्या वाक्याग्नौ संयोजयेत. Amma, put the books aside. Put everything aside. Get up. Light the fire here, like this. Okay, and then light the coconut shell inside. No. Wait a minute. Okay. Go, please light. No. Okay. So gradually take it and light it. Light the coconut shell. Okay. Agnim prajvaledam vande jatavedam hudashram suvarnavarnamam samiddham vishudomukham uttishta purushayita pingal ohitacha sarvakarmani sadhayami deidapaya swaha. Standilopari Agnim Trivaram Brahmaitva Standile Agnim Sthapayitva. Now I have installed Agni, that's what it means. Standile Agnim Sthapayitva Chitpingala Hana Dahadaha Pajapada Sarvagnya Jnapaya Swaha Edi Jwalini Mudran Pradarshya. Now after we do this, till now we spoke about the energy coming out through this one, getting into the external fire. The external fire is deposited inside. Okay, but till now what we did, we were laughing like hell, cracking jokes, moved from there, disturbed everything under the sun, right? So we have brought in a lot of contamination. We have to clean that. So, even before we do that, now when we deposited the fire over there, now Saraswati is pregnant with Agni. We'll have to perform the samskaras for a pregnant lady. Okay, then when the Agni is born, we have to perform all the upacharams for the newborn Agni until he evolves into a full-fledged adult. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Homa Agne Garbhadana Karmam Samarpayami. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Homa Agne Pumsavana Karmam Samarpayami. So that we are ensuring the fertility of the female component. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Homa Agne Simantonnayana Karmam Samarpayami. Valaikapu. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Homa Agne Jatakarmani Samarpayami. The one is being born now. When he is born, you have to perform something. Jatakarmani Samarpayami. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Mahaganapati Homa Agne Namakarnani Samarpayami. We have given the name for the Agni. What is the name of the Agni? Mahaganapati Homa Agne Namakarudnani Samarpayami. Asya Shri Mahaganapati Homa Agne Annaprasana Karmani Samarpayami. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Mahaganapati Homa Agne Shaula Karmani Samarpayami. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Mahaganapati Homa Agne Upanayana Karmani Samarpayami. Aim Namaha Asya Shri Mahaganapati Homa Agne गोदानकर्माणि समर्पयामि ऐं नमः अस्य श्री महागणपति होम अग्ने विवाहकर्माणि समर्पयामि ऐं नमः अस्य श्री महागणपति होम अग्ने सर्वमंगलकर्माणि समर्पयामि. We performed all the samskaras, but during this time we had a ball of a time, right? So we will have to clean our slates. For that we will pick up the summit with our thumb and middle finger and we are going to perform Ganapati Homa. No, we are visualizing the Agni with a purpose. World Karana Janmulandi. Ye Karanani Janmincharo. That name we are going to give them. Mahaganapati Homa Agni. He is still Agni. Mahaganapati Homa Agni. Yes. Mahaganapati Homa Agni is the name of the Agni. If we do Navavarna Lalita Agni, we will call it. Like that. Okay? Now, we will have to pick up that summit with your thumb and middle finger and chant after me. Arambha. Pick it up. You have to chant after me. Arambha. Prabhrati. Prabhrati. Etat. Kshana. Paryantam. Madhye. Sambhavita. Samasta. Dosha. Prayaschitta Artham Sarva Prayaschittam Hoshyami Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Bhurbhuvasvaha Swaha Praja Swaha Prajapadaya Idam Namama. Not some people say swaha ha. No, it's not ha. Swaha a. Prajapataya idan namama. Now hold off. Tranay namarana baddhamaulim shishutvam shakamaranaman ekakalpamam bhojam stam abhimatavara shaktyam swastika bhitihastam namadakanaka malalankritam kusharnam. Now the Agni is born. He is now full-fledged. So we will have to give him some praise, right? We will have to say, hey, good guy. And you pamper him a little bit. So that's what I did. Okay, Agnim Prajvalitam Vande Jatavedam Hudashanam Suvarnavarnam, golden color, Amalam, pure, no impurity, Amalam, Vishwato Mukham. The guy has got faces around the whole universe. Vishwato Mukham, Suvarnavarnam, Samidham, Vishwato Samidham. The one who burns the samid that you are going to put into it. Vishwato Mukham, Uttishta Purujaya Pingal, Ohitacha Sarvakarmani, Sadhemi Dida Peswaha. Aishan Yaram Vaishvana Jata Veda Yhavahaloitacha Karmani Sadhaya Swaha. Now pick up. Now what we do is, till now we praised and all that. Now we are going to define his 7 components or 7 tools he uses to consume the harvest we are going to offer. Everything has to be defined. Aishandyam Hiranyaya Nama Swaha Hiranyaya Idan Namama. We put in this way, right? Aishandyam Prachyam Agneyam Nairityam Paschimayam Vayuvyam Madhyabhagam. There are 7 tongues. So Aishandyam Hiranyaya Nama Swaha Hiranyaya Idan Nama. Prachyam Kanakaya Nama Swaha Kanakaya Idan Nama. Agneyam Raktaya Nama Swaha Raktaya Idan Nama. Nairityam Krishnaya Nama Swaha Krishnaya Idan Nama. Paschimayam Suprabhaya Nama Swaha Suprabhaya Idan Nama. Vayuvyam Ajaraktaya Nama Swaha Ajaraktaya Idan Nama. Madhyabhage Bahurupaya Nama Swaha Bahurupaya Idan Nama. ram vaishvana jata veda yhavah lohitāksha karmāni sadhaya swaha agnaye idannama uttishta purusharita pingal lohitāksha karmāni sadhaya mede idāpaya swaha agnaye idannama chitpingala hana hana dahada paja paja sarvajñā jñāpaya swaha agnaye idannama. So we perform, we invoke the 7 tongues of Agni. Okay? So once we did this, now is the time to invoke the main deity. Okay? Ata Agner Madhyabhage Sthitayam, the one that is sitting at the center of the Homokundam. Okay? Agner Madhyabhage Sthitayam, Dakshinottarayam, he is sitting this way. Bahurupakya Jikvayam, he has got tongues that can take various shapes. Okay, he is basically in the form of Agni. Okay? Pradhana Devatam, the main deity. Avahya, may I invoke the main deity. So who is the main deity here? Ganapati. So we will take this Ganapati house. Yeah, so my main deity is Ganapati. So for Ganapati, if you already know Trikhanda Mudra, you will put in Trikhanda Mudra. Om Gananagam Tva Ganapatigam Avamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanan Brahmanaspada Anashranvanno Devesida Sadhanam. Om Shri Mahaganadipadaye Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapadaye Varavarada Sadvajanam Me Vashamane Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Namo Bhagavati Mahalakshmi Varavarade Shrim Vibhudaye Swaha. Shri Shri Patyadi Siddha Lakshmi Sameda Shri Vallabha Shri Mahaganadipadaye Namaha. Hasrai Maskalari Mastasoh Mahabadmavanantaste Karanananda Homakunde Satvabhutaite Deva Ekye Ganadhipa Mahaganapatim Avahayami Sthayami Ajyopaharam Samarpayami Namah Swaha. Okay? From now on, we will offer the ahutis for Ganapati. Okay? Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapadaye Varavarada Sadvajanam Me Vashamane Swaha Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapadaye Varavarada Sadvajanam Me Vashamane Swaha Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapadaye Varavarada Sadvajanam Me Vashamane Swaha Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapadaye Varavarada Sadvajanam Me Vashamane Swaha Swaha. 4 for Ganapati is, that's why during Homam, what I do, I will keep on offering it until the Purnahutis go a complete circle and come to the people. Once it comes to the Kartas, from that point I will count 4. Once all of them has the Purnahuti in their hand, I will count 4. At that point I will stop and will offer. Take that. Ganapati is basically the solid state. Solid state, it has 4 faces. Okay? 4 corners and 4 faces. That is the stablest form. Okay? Pardon? There is nothing fair, that means he likes 4 more than 5? No. Basically, it is a property of the physical realm that we attribute there. For Subramanya, it is 6 faces. For this guy, it is 4. Okay? Amma, give me the Purnahuti thing. Katledu kada, kabatti, just will give me that, give me the paper, give me the time. Now it's not possible, we have already gone, we should not wait. Give me the paper towel. Amma, put in some summit into this. Anastuyam raim baram sannah pratijanate vriksham pakvam phalamangiva dhunuhindra samparnam vasuya im raja anavrudruda vidadadrajaso mitrau varunachake etate gambhiraya rakshase हेतिमस्य द्रोगाय चित्वचा सानावाय आतून इन्द्रक्षुमन्तं चित्रं ग्राभन् संगृभाय महाहस्त चित्रं ग्राभन् संगृभाय महाहस्ति दक्षिणेन स्वाहा सर्वं महागणपतये इदं नमः प्रणयनमरणबद्धमौलिं महागणपतये इदं नमः निशोषी ईद गणपते गणेश त्वामा आहुर्विप्रातमं कवीनां नरदे त्वत्प्रीते किञ्चनारे महामर्कं भगवन् चित्रमर्च्य इति महागणपति होम मन्त्रः. At this point for Mahaganapati, after we offer that first four ahutis, it is traditional to chant Atharvashesha. Okay, but at least in our tantric vidhanam, we will chant Atharvashesha. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shriyama Devaha Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiryajatraha Stharairangai Tuštuvagum Sastanubhi Yashema Devahitam Yadayuh Swastina Indro Vruddhashravaha Swastina Kusha Vishwavedaha Swastina Starcho Arishtanemihi Swastino Brahaspade Dadadu Om Shanti 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 Om Namaste Ganapadaye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kattasi Tvameva Kevalam Tattasi Tvameva Kevalam Hattasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshadatmasi Nityam Swagha Ratam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Swaha Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadataram Avadhataram Avanuchanam Avashishyam Avapashyatad Avapurastad Avottarattad Avadakshinattad Avachotbhatad Avadharatad Sarvato Mam Pai Pai Samantat Swagha Tvam Vangmayastvam Janmayatvam Anandamayastvam Brahmamayatvam Satchidananda Jyosi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Swaha Sarvam Jagadidam Tatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tatto Stishtati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Laimeshadi Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyeti Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Nabha Tvam Chatvari Vaakpadani Swaha Tvam Gunatrayatita Tvam Avastathrayatita Tvam Dehatrayatita Tvam Kalatrayatita Tvam Mooladharastido Asinityam Tvam Shaktitrayatmakah Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahma Tvam Vishnustvam Rudrastvam Indrastvam Agnistvam Vayustvam Suryastvam Chandramastam Brahma Bhutbhuvastu Varom Swaha Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadi Im Sarantram Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sattvajanam Me Vashamani Swaha Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Namo Bhagavati Mahalakshmi Varavarade Shrim Vibhutaye Swaha Shri Shripatyadi Siddhalakshmi Sameda Shri Vallabha Shri Mahaganadipataye Namah Swaha Anuswarah Paradarah Adhe Endrasitam Tarena Ruddham Edatta Manuswarupam Kakara Purvarupam Akaro Madhyamarupam Manuswarascha Antarupam Binduruttara Rupam Nadastandhanam Sagamita Sandhe Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganakarishini Gayatri Chanda Ganapati Devata Om Gam Ganapataye Namah Swaha Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakradundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danta Prachodaya Swaha Ekadantam Jadurgastam Bhajamam Kushadharidam Radanja Varadam Hastai Vidbranam Mushakadvajam Raktam Lambodaram Shurpakarnakam Raktavasam Raktagandhan Liptangam Raktapushpai Isupujitam Bhaktanukampinam Devam Jagatkaranamachyutam Avirbhutancha Srishyadya Prakrute Purushatparam Evam Jayatiyo Nityam Sayogi Yoginam Varahan Namo Vratapataye Namo Ganapataye Namo Pramadapataye Namaste Astu Lambodharaya Ekadantaya Vignanashine Shivasudaya Shri Varadamurtaye Namo Namah Swagha Edat Atharvashirisham Yodhite Sabrahma Bhuyaya Kalpade Sarvada Sukhameda Desa Sarva Vignai Irnabhadyate स्वपञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते सायमधीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति प्रातरधीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायं प्रातः प्रयुञ्जानो पापो भवति सर्वत्र अधीयानो अपविघ्नो भवति धर्मार्थकाममोक्षं च विन्दतीदमसर्वशीर्षमशिष्याय न ध्येयम् यो यदि मोहाद्दास्ति स पापीयान् भवति सहस्रावर्तनाद्यं यं कामधीते तं तमनेन साधयेत् अनेन गणपतिमभिषिञ्चति स वाग्मी भवति चतुर्थ्यामनश्नं जपति स विद्यावान् भवति इति अथर्वणवाक्यं ब्रह्माद्याचरणं विद्यान्न भेदि कदाचनेति यो दूर्वाङ्कुरैर्यजति स वैश्रवणोपमो भवति यो लाजेति स यशोवान् भवति स मेधावान् भवति यो मोदकसहस्रेण यजति स वाञ्छितफलमवाप्नोति साध्यसमिद्भिर्यजति स सर्वं लभते स सर्वं लभते अष्टौ ब्राह्मणान् सम्यग्राहयित्वा सूर्यवच्चस्वी भवति सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिमासन्निधौ वा जप्त्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते महाप्रत्यवायात् प्रमुच्यते महापापात् प्रमुच्यते स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इति उपनिषत् ओं भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्योऽरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु शान्तिः 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 अथ महागणपति होमं सम्पूर्णम्. When we finish the homam, we will have to offer the respects to our Ganapati. Hey guy, you have come at our request, you have presided over this ritual, you have accepted our ahutis, okay? Please, these are, accept our goodies, accept our honor, okay? So what we do is, we will offer dhupam, deepam, pushpam, dhupam, deepam, naivedyam, niraj. We will offer pushpam. At this time, normally you will ring the bell. ఇక్కడ వెలిగించేసి Probably for the online people may think that I hurried up things here. I am not. Basically, the homam, what we did. Till now, you needed explanation regarding the home, Purvangam, how we do things, Agnimukam, what we do, why we do, and all that. Then after that, once the homam starts, it's purely by the word. Whatever mantra is there, you chant, you will offer the ahuti. Okay? And it is Ganapati homam, if it is normally after Deepam, you are supposed to give Achamanam. Okay? Achamanam, you will normally use water. But it is not just highly recommended, it is strictly prohibited to mix water and fire. In a fire ritual particularly, it is considered to be extremely bad to add water into fire. Okay? That's why for Achamanam, instead of using water, I am using Achamanam samarpayami. Try not to use left hand. I use left hand but holding it with the right hand. If you use the right hand, as Ayya says, you are doing fine. If you use left hand, you are absorbing the karma of all the people around. So unless you are really capable of doing it and you are willing to do it, otherwise, okay? Now, Dhupam, Deepam, Naivedyam. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayād Parorase Savadoma Pojyotirasāmritam Brahma Bhurbhuvasvaram Naivedyam Nirajam. Now, typically, the tradition is after Ganapati Homam, you will offer Homam for Navagrahas Then after you offer home for Navagraha, since we are Sri Vidya followers, we'll offer homam for Ambal. I would want to make it a combo session here right now, because right now the scope of our discussion, the scope of this lesson is to teach you how to perform a home. Individual home, basically the first part, the Agnimukham, is going to be common. After that, for each deity, you will invoke a different mantra and then offer ahuris according to that mantra. Okay? For Navagrahas, chant after me. Aditya Yacha Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha Guru Shukra Shaneshwarabhya Rahave Ketave Swagha Adityaya Cha Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha Guru Shukra Shaneshwarabhya Rahave Ketave Idam Namama Ganesh Graha Nakshatra Yogini Rashi Rupinim Naumim Mantramayim Matruka Pitharupini Swagha. This is actually, shloka is a concise expression of a ritual that lasts about 1.5 hours. Ganesha Graha Nakshatra Yogini Rashi Rupinim Naumim Devim Mantramayim Matruka Pitha Rupini. Each of those words which represent one particular nyasam. Ganesha nyasam, Graha nyasam, Nakshatra nyasam, Ganesha Graha Nakshatra Yogini nyasam, Rashi nyasam, Rashi Rupinim, Naumim means sun, Surya nyasam, Naumim, Matruka nyasam, Pitha nyasam. So all these things, you are the personification of all that, Swaha, for Ambal. Okay? Once we do that, we have an option of having a Purnavati tied and then offer, or if we are concluding the homam, pick up the entire bowl. Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Saradam Nama Namo Prakrityai Bhadrayai Neta Pranatasmadam Sangayai Saidhayai Savahanayai Saparivarayai Shishakhyayai Shunmatya Nirupadika Sanminmatra Paradevatayai Shri Vidyayai Navavarna Devata Saitayai Kameshwarankanayai Srimad Mahan Tripura Sundariyai Mahahutim Samarpayami Namah Swagha Sarvam Srimad Lalita Mahat Tripura Sundariya Idam Namama. Indraya Swaha Indraya Idannama Agnaye Swaha Agnaye Idannama Yamaya Swaha Yamaya Idannama Niradaya Swaha Niradaya Idannama Varunaya Swaha Varunaya Idannama Vayave Swaha Vayave Idannama Kuberaya Swaha Kuberaya Idannama Somaya Swaha Somaya Idannama Ishanyaya Swaha Ishanyaya Idannama Brahmane Swaha Brahmane Idannama Vishnave Swaha Vishnave Idannama Om Bhu Swaha Om Bhuva Swaha Om Suva Swaha Om Bhut Bhuva Suva Swaha Prajapata Edannama Aditen Vamagristaha Anumaten Vamagristaha Sarasvaten Vamagristaha Deva Savita Prasavihi. Initially we did this Adite Anumanyasva, that is enclosing the parameter. Now it is opening the perimeter so that it is released. Okay? Aditya, and in the beginning it says Anumanyasva. Here now we say Vamagistva, Aditen Vamagistaha, Anumaten Vamagistaha, Sarasvaten Vamagistaha, Deva Savitaha, Prasavihi. Open. Okay? Now, Vaushate, home is complete. Okay? You just, Visarjana kind of, Nimajjanam or Visarjanam kind of. Avahanam, Visarjanam. Okay? This is how the homam is done. After the homam is done, you will go around the Homukundam 3 times, and facing north, you will do the Namaskar. Okay? Now, up till this point, do you have any questions? Do online people have any question, Ayya? Mooladharodgadam samvidagnim. Mooladharodgadam samvidagnim lalatanetradvara nirgamaya Vagishvara bijasya Vagishvariyonyam Pravesha buddhya Bhakyagnau samyojayed. If you split that, slice it, Mooladhara udgatam Samvidha agnim. Okay? The agnim that is emanating, generating from the base of our Mooladharam, base of our spine. Samvidha Lalata Netradvara Nirgamaya. May that emanate from my Lalata Netram, the eye on my forehead. Lalata Nirgamaya. The one that has come, what should it do? Vagishvara bijasya. The one that has come, that is the seat of the masculine principle of the universe, that is Vagishvara bijasya Vagishvariyonyam. May it join with the feminine principle, Vagishvariyonyam Pravesha buddhya. So envisioning that, Bhakyagnau samyojayet. May I synthesize. That's why I'm using the word synthesize, because samyojana means it's a combination of so many things. It is happening. May I synthesize Bhakyagno. May I synthesize the external fire. Bhakyagno samyojayet. Then Agnim Prajvalidam Vande Chatavedam Hutashinam Suvarnavardamamulam Samiddham Vishwato Mukham. So saying that, we'll just deposit that. Any other question? I may have missed this explanation, so if anyone asking, I am told that in the home ritual an offering is made to Shiva. Can you specify where the manual this is outlined? Okay, this is not explicitly outlined, but this one is done as a Prayaschitta Homam. Okay, after the Agni is invoked, he is born, we perform all samskaras to Agni. At that point, we have to clean our slate to proceed further. That's where we say Om Bhur Bhuvassuva Swaha Prajapataya Idannamama. Prajapati in our Shaivite parlance is Shiva. Okay? For Shiva we offer one ahuti. That's why what we do, we give an explanation in the beginning of that. What we say is Arambha, from the beginning, Prabhrati, etc. from the beginning and otherwise. Arambha Prabhrati, Etate, and all that. Kshana, all the moments till that point, Edat Kshana Paryantam, pervading all that. Madhye, in between, Sambhavita, that has occurred. Samasta dosha prayaschittartham. For the prayaschittam of all the doshams. What doshams? All those doshams that occurred right from the beginning and otherwise, and all the moments in between. So, for that, for the doing the prayaschittartham, sarva prayaschittam, all those blemishes, hoshyami, may I burn them. How do I do it? Om bhur bhuvassuva swaha prajapataya idam namama. That is the ahuti. Yeah, that's a question of practicality. One thing we recommend is, instead of using firewood, go for paper towel. Paper towel is made out of wood. Okay? Paper towel, dip it in ghee and then place that and you light it. Your smoke is minimized. I wouldn't say it is totally gone. But there is another tricky way of doing it. That is, do not use any firewood at all. Take a small vilakku. That vilakku is going to be your homukundam. You perform all the samskaram to the vilakku. You will light the wick in that vilakku. In the deepam, you will light the wick. Vilakku means lamp. Okay? In that lamp, you will light the wick. That is how you will invoke fire god. Then for each swaha, offer ghee. Then towards the end, allow the lamp to burn as long it has to. No smoke. No smoke whatsoever. And let it be, it's just a lamp, it will be there. Pardon? It doesn't smoke much, but if you do it indoors, there is a possibility even that small amount of smoke will darken your walls. Yes, yeah, there's always, yeah, that's the, but no, with a ghee lamp, it doesn't happen so. Probably 100th, no big deal. Yes. Sankalpam is a good question. Thing is, Sankalpam can be done at various stages. Here, normally what happens is when you do the home, if it is other than Ganapati Homam, if you do any other Homam, still you will do Ganapati Homam. You will do Ganapati Homam and after that you can do Sankalpam. But since this one is Ganapati Homam by itself, okay, we have missed this particular step. But if you want to do Sankalp, particularly this one is not a Kamya Homam. It is not a Homam directed to a particular benefit or an objective. So, in either case, if you want to do the Sankalpam, in this particular context, the best time is after the Kalasham is installed. Kalasasya mukhe Vishnu kanthe rudra samashrita mule. After that, imam me varunachridiya madhya chamadayatvam avashyarajake. After the Varuna mantram is done, you can do the Sankalpam. Okay? Yes. Anything else? Yeah, Bhairava Kalasham is not a mandatory thing when you are doing it at home. Typically, Bhairava Kalasham is installed when it's a big place where there are so many people that are coming in. That's when you typically tend to install the Bhairava Kalasham. Yes, it is a shorter version. It is not a complete version. What we did was we chanted one shloka for all the 9 planets put together and offered the ahuti. But in a regular Navagraha Homam, we will be chanting individual grahas and then offer one ahuti for each of them. Yeah, you can cover it. There is nothing wrong. In fact, there are situations where we will do the homam in an aluminum, what is that? Container. The aluminum tray, the bakery tray, aluminum container. After the thing is done, you dispose the container. Yeah, an aluminum bakery tray, baking tray you can do, and then dispose of the bakery tray right after that. It is basically kind of a highly temporal homokundam. No objections. You can do it. Imam me varunashri. On the Kalasham, after the Kalashasya mukhe Vishnu, there we will do that when the Bhairava Kalasham is. But here we are not using that. At home, after you do the Kalasham, you will directly do the. Yes. Samit, I would rather, it depends on what kind of samit you want to use. For Ganapati, roasted white sesame, dates, and dry fruits and nuts. Not salted, no salt. Okay? Pardon? Modak and all that, yes, that you can do that. But then if you want to do that, it's going to take more time. The more time you take, the more excuse you will have to skip it. We would want to keep it as simple as possible. Okay? But otherwise, if you want to have a more rigorous way of having all the mix of samit and all that, I recommend at this point to procure it from our temple. Because here in our temple, we make the samit ingredients, we get them and make them in-house. It is not bought from the market, and it really has got a lot of ingredients that can go into a typical home. Yes. No, I wouldn't recommend that chocolate thing and all that. Principally because number one, we do not even know what ingredients go into the chocolate. Probably, who knows, they may be using beef tallow. Number one. Number two, the person when he is doing, who knows, probably the person is physically or mentally not in a fit enough state to prepare these things. Okay, so it's best. That's why it's best to use ingredients as close to nature, as close to raw as possible. Okay? Otherwise, the simple rice, cooked rice with ghee, typically that kind of ahuti is offered only for Shiva. For Ganapati, white sesame is the ideal thing. Pardon? And honey. Honey, no, not for Ganapati. You can offer it, but typically, because honey brings in a different kind of energy, unless the upasaka is prepared to accept that kind of energy, typically better. Dry mango slices, I'm not sure. Okay. Pardon? No, nothing. When you do all that, what happens is that contains more water, ayya. Particularly at home, the Homakundam will be small. If you offer even a tad too much of it, the fire extinguishes. Fire management becomes difficult. So, see, there are two things here: fire management, fire god management. Okay? These two things, if one conflicts with the other, the homam doesn't complete anyway. Cooked rice with ghee, and if you are doing at home, just a few grains of it, no more than that. Okay? Yes, sir, yeah. That's it. 1 second. Yes. You can offer 9 grains for each planet if you want to do it as comprehensively as that. But then again, when you do that, you need to have a big enough Homakundam with adequate amount of fire burning. Otherwise, those things won't catch fire, and it will take a long time for it to be consumed by the small fire you will have at home. So typically, you can offer it, but you'll have to watch out. Raksha can be made at home. There's nothing wrong. Typically, what you will do, you will take the darba, okay, the dry darba, not the green one. Okay, take that, and normally you will light that fire from the Ishanya Konam of the Homakundam. You will burn that darba on the Ishanya Konam. Take that and then have it ready. Even beforehand, have small, probably a teaspoon of ghee into a small plate. The burning darba, you will dip it into the ghee so that the ashes of the darba gets not dissolved, amalgamated with the ghee. And that's what would be the Raksha. Okay? Can you go over? Oh, for Ganapati, white sesame, dates, raisins, okay? Principally, and you can put in coconut shavings. Coconut shavings, the dry coconut shavings. Pardon? Rice puffs, you can add it. Yes and no. The rice puff is more a kind of a generic ahuti rather than specific for Ganapati. Okay? These 4 should do. Anything else beyond that, well, you are complicating things. There are other things you can add, but you may want to limit to these 4. Yeah, for Navagrahas, you can add 9 grains. Probably you can take 2 grains of each type, so that the volume is very little. Then offer. And then for Ambal, you will you can offer same again. You can offer the 9 grains. You can then, along with that, whatever that is offered to Ganapati, the mix of these 2 things, you can offer it to. Pardon? Now, yeah, but for Shaneshwara, black sesame is a part of the 9 grains. Part of the 9 grains. That's all? Yeah, okay. Amma, you had a question. Yeah, just Ganapati Homam can be done. But then, as I said, since we follow this tradition, Here what we do is we offer at least in a miniaturized way, offer one ahuti for Navagrahas and then offer one ahuti for Ambal. That will take care of. And for offering ahuti to Ambal, you can do it in so many ways. You can chant Sri Suktam you can offer it, or you can chant the Swayamvara Kalyani and then offer it. Or if you are already initiated into Sri Vidya, Panchadashi, each Panchadashi Swaha, you can do that. All right. Okay? Huh? From Rishi, yeah, you can do, you do that. Thing is, when you are doing it's a kind of a personalized version of the homam, you can offer to each Rishi. But what happens, when you do these things, not just that, those energies will manifest. So, you say, offer Brihaspati, the guy will come, hey guy, okay, you have called me, I have come. Now you should know how to treat him properly. Right? So for that, again, you will have to be initiated into that. You will have to do some sadhana with it. Then you can do. You can offer to any deity. But typically what happens is, you do not know what your internal energies are. Depending on that, it's very much possible that the deity will come. And then he say, okay, give me something. You have asked me, okay, you have to give some naivedyam. You should know at that point of that particular deity what kind of naivedyam is best. So if you do not know that, then you know that energy is disturbed. That is not going to do a good thing. Yes. That's all, yeah? Yeah. Pardon? You will offer the ghee 12 times. Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chatvari. That's one way they say Ekam, Dvitiyam, Tritiyam, Turiyam, Panchamam. So you will take 12 portions of the ghee. I'm not sure why exactly it is 12, not 11 or 15 or 14, but you take 12 portions of the ghee to form the Purnahuti. And that you will offer. Okay? Cloth colors for Purnahuti is more for identification purpose. Okay, here we do the homam. If all of them are the same red color, how would I know which is for what? For that, we chose some convention. For Ganapati, we put in yellow. For Navagrahas, we put in dark. It could be black or blue. And then for Ambal, we put in red. That's all. Otherwise, it does not have a whole lot of significance. Okay? What is that? Fire management. Yeah, I told you, for fire management, you can have just smoke management is fire management. Okay, and when at home, yeah, you can offer lotus. Okay, that's it. You are now getting into the next step. You can do it. There's nothing wrong. You typically, if you want to offer the whole lotus Amma, you need to have a homukundam of this size. Because there are 16 lotuses if you go in, and then for Purnahuti 1, and then the initial invocation, 18 lotuses for you, and it will be smoke all over the hopes. And the fire department will be right in front of your house, and they will fine you by the time the homam is done. Petals is fine. No, even if you so you'll offer 16 petals, not 16 flowers. Because each flower will have hundreds of petals, right? If you offer all of that, then that's going to be. More than fire god management, fire management becomes a problem. And fire department management also becomes a problem. Okay? Yes. Yeah. They offer it for a specific purpose. I am not sure what the purpose is. They do that. I have seen that, but I am not sure what exactly, in what context you offer it. Yeah. We'll have to find it out. Again, Tulasi fresh leaves are wet. Right? Yeah. And typically Tulasi doesn't go well with certain deities. You are not supposed to offer Tulasi for certain deities. It is something like there is a particular leaf that cannot be offered to Shiva. So you will have to watch out, understand what the nitty-gritties are, and then. Hmm? Yeah, Bilvam for Shiva goes well, yes. Okay? Anything else? This is the introduction to Homam. Yes. Okay? Yeah. Now, basically, when it comes to the tantra means basically the physical exercise, the tools, how you use, how you manage, and all that. That one, it appears to be more complicated than it actually is. Where you tend to really lose yourself or lose track is you'll have. By the time you come out of the book, the fire will have extinguished. No, I have faced this. I have faced this. So that's why what I recommend is even before you, of course, you can do the serious home, but really serious home if you want to do, try to commit these things to memory at least to 50%. So that you don't have to search for the syllables. You look at the first word, you know the whole thing. You should get to that modicum of familiarity you have to get. Then it becomes easier. Until then, yeah, when I initially started here, I didn't even have a book. I had loose sheets. By the time I say Swaha, 2 sheets will be there, another sheet will be somewhere there. Aditya, not Atitya, Adi, Da. Adite, Anumanyaswa, Anumate. There are 3 deities, Amma. Aditi is a deity. Aditi is the mother of Aditya. Adi, Anumate, Anumanyaswa, Saraswate, Anumanyaswa. Anumanyaswa, I don't want to give you inaccurate this one. I think the Anuman. Okay, let me get back to you on that. I don't know. I don't want to give in. I'll have to get back to you on that. Adite Anumanyaswa. Anumate Anumanyaswa. Saraswate Anumanya. Deva Savita Prasuva. Savita is Surya. Okay? Okay? विज्ञानां ब्रह्मयमात्मा ब्रह्मतत्त्वमस्यहं ब्रह्मास्मि नेह नास्ति किञ्चन सोऽहं स्वाहा शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मे नु कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणञ्च मे यन्ता च मे दत्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे सुधिश्च मे विश्वञ्च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रञ्च मे सुश्च मे प्रसूश्च मे क्षीरञ्च मे वयश्च मरुदञ्च मे अमृतञ्च मे क्ष्मञ्च मे नामयश्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे अनमित्रञ्च मे अभयञ्च मे जुगञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनञ्च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Pujayami Namaha. Now, you may get up, go around the Homukundam 3 times, and from that side, facing north, do Sashtanga Namaskaram, and the home has concluded. Om Tat Sat Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. It did not rain anyway.